Today we're hosting a DAWAT, which is basically a dinner party. And we've got a couple of things on the menu. We've got gosh pulao, we've got chaat, we've got a chicken pasta, some lamb chops, pizza and some kebabs, as well as some salad and mint sauce on the side. I was supposed to add the layer of cheese first so you can see the toppings better when you put them on top like this. So I'm just gonna have to move some of it up. It'll just look nicer this way. Time to add the seasonings. The pizza is done. I'm going to wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge. Then it's just ready to pop in the oven tomorrow.
Oh!
I'm gonna start off with the lamb because that's gonna take a while to cook. I'm gonna add some boiling water to it. As well. For the chaat, I need to peel and chop these potatoes and boil them. This I will save for the salad. I had to change into a bigger bowl. I'm going to use some of my own seasonings, and then I'm also going to use this chaat masala. I'm going to make a start on this salad, which is going to be very simple. We've got the red onions from before, then we've got some cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes, and some sweet corn. That can go in the fridge now. I'll give it a mix before the guests come. Time to make a bit of a mint yogurt. It's going to be very simple. Just add some yogurt, this mint sauce, and then I'm also going to sprinkle a bit of salt in there. I'm gonna add a lot more yogurt than that. this is what it looks like now, and I can put it in the fridge. I think the yakhni is done now, so I can separate the meat and the broth. Time to make the pulao. I'm gonna start off with some olive oil. Going to add in the onions, fry them until they're brown. I'm going to add the rice later on because they're not going to arrive yet, so I want to make sure it's nice and hot. Leave that to the side. I'm going to add a little bit of coriander in here as well. I'm going to add the rice later. It is time to make the pasta, and I have boiled some water. I'm going to boil it first. I don't usually do that. I usually do it in the end, but today I'm going to swap things around. I'm also going to boil the chicken. I only need to make 500 grams. That's it, that's perfect. Let's add that in here. It is looking so creamy now. I love this color. It is time to sort out the lamb chops. These I marinated yesterday. Gonna put them all in here. Oh. Everything is finally ready. I couldn't record all of the ending because I was rushing. This is our gosh pulao. This here is the jampe, which is lamb chops. It's tandoori flavored, so tandoori lamb chops. This here is our creamy chicken pasta with some cheese in it. And here we have some vegetarian pizza. We got our lamb and beef kebabs, our chana chaat, a mint yogurt, and some salad. I couldn't really do as much as I wanted to. It is a bit hard when you have a baby, but this is the best I could do. Now, I know that some of these things don't seem to go together, but that's because I really like having a variety of foods. So I decided to go for desi and a bit of Italian. One of the good things is that it's some of their favorite foods. I completely forgot to mention, for dessert we have got this raspberry bakewell tart with some vanilla ice cream, which is in the freezer, and then we also got some biscuits and sweets.